Good morning and Merry Christmas to everyone. It's 10:30 a.m. Christmas Day here in the Philippines. And for this special day, we're going to unbox a special DC bombshell statue. So let's go ahead. So we're not going to unbox just one, but two special DC bombshells statue. They are special because they are in line with the holidays, and these are the holiday Harley Quinn statue and the holiday Wonder Woman statue. So you can see these are variants wherein they are in red, green, and gold. Okay, just like the holidays. So we're going to first look at the boxes. So we can see here the front boxes. Okay, so Wonder Woman, okay, with the Christmas lights, and then Harley Quinn with a bag of goodies. On top, we see another view. Okay, so of Harley Quinn, the logo, and Wonder Woman logo. Then at the back, you'll see the full view of the Harley Quinn. And here, other figures to collect. We have Satana and Hector. Okay, and have a closer look at the Harley Quinn ring in the holiday season with Harley Quinn fresh off her best-selling bombshell makeover becomes everyone's favorite. Okay, the range darling bearing a batty bag of gifts in this all-new variant. Okay, so there's no description for the Wonder Woman, but let's take a look at the side. Here is what she will look like, approximately 12.75 inches, and the other one is approximately 10 inches high. So let's go ahead and unbox this two. Okay, let's start with the Wonder Woman Holiday Edition. So I don't actually have the original design for this Wonder Woman because she is quite expensive, but the holiday variant is much cheaper than the original. So Wonder Woman is always a fan favorite. So I have the special statue, but this holiday statue is what I'm excited for. So I hope everyone is having a great Christmas so far. Just to share personally, this is the best Christmas for me as my first born son is 5 days old today. Okay, so sleepless nights, but it's all good. So we have here the what you call this, the base. Okay. So this is manufactured in China, S15. So I already noticed there's no numbering because usually the bombshells have a limited edition numbering, so this one does not seem to have that. So let's put it there on the side. Oh, it's already unpacked, and we have here the actual figure. So let's tilt it. So we have the Wonder Woman figure here. Get her out. There you go. She is amazing, as always. Let's put her on the base. I hope she fits perfectly. There you go. And with her then this one is, I got it for cheap. So you can see there is the name date is broken, but that's fine. The fix of the previous owner is good enough. Okay, so let's not be too obsessive with this because we got it cheap, as I said. Okay, so it's okay. So as long as the statue itself is not broken, I think it's a fair. It's a great deal actually. Okay, and there it is. There is the Wonder Woman Holiday Edition. Okay, so all the Christmas lights are there. And she's breaking the Christmas lights. So in the original, she's breaking the chains. And that is the Wonder Woman. Okay, let's set her aside to give way to our next figure, which is the Heroclix Christmas edition. And there she is. So Harley Quinn, of course, is one of the primary characters in the DC bombshells. So let's open her up. So this is a variant. So usually she's holding a gun, but in this variant, I think she will be holding a bag of goodies. What's this? So you can read this carefully. But let's try to be careful with opening it. It should be good. And let's see. How's your Christmas dinner? In our case, this is a very simple Christmas dinner because again, the baby is keeping us up, so we're a bit sleepless. So we'd rather sleep than eat. But it's all good, as I said. Usually, it's also the time of spaghetti here in the Philippines. So spaghetti is a staple here for Christmas. We just have donuts and hams. Last week, should be good to go. Here we go. This is the top. Where's the there's no indicator. So anyway, let's try to open it and see what happens. So we were at the bottom. Okay, that's fine. So this one is, I think, mint. Unlike the Wonder Woman that is pre-loved. So this one is mint and seal box. So you can see her still on plastic. So let's take her out carefully. Yeah, it's already assembled in her base with the Harley Quinn name tag. So this is Harley Quinn. You can see the detail there, the Joker card. And instead of a bag, she's carrying a bag, a gun rather. She's carrying a bag of things. And got the wing side of Harley Quinn. The snowman on her jacket design. So those are added touches to give her the Christmas look. She has a back belt. And she has Batman's cape. She has Batman's cape, Robin's Batman's cowl, cape, Robin. This is Robin's cape and also a hook. I'm not a girl, I suppose. This is Harley Quinn Holiday Edition, and let's see. Yeah, so series 2014. There's also no numbering. I guess the variants don't really have that limited edition numbering as the regular ones. And she's wearing, of course, two-prong satin health pants. Let's put them side by side together and give them a 360. These are again Wonder Woman and Heroclix Holiday Edition statues. So one last look, 360, before we end the video. So thank you very much, everyone. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and have a restful and blessed holidays to everyone. That's the back. Finally, let's end it here. And we're gonna put them in our shelf for displaying this holiday season. Keep safe, everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video.